In this video, I will explain how to find the determinant of a triangular matrix. So let's start with a couple quick definitions. A triangular matrix is a square matrix. Now remember, a square matrix is simply a matrix with the same number of rows as columns, where all elements either above or below the main diagonal are zero. Now we say that a square matrix is an upper triangular matrix if all elements below the main diagonal are zero. And we say that a square matrix is a lower triangular matrix if all elements above the main diagonal are zero. Now to find the determinant of a triangular matrix, it's simply the product of its diagonal elements. So it's pretty simple to find. So let's check out the following examples. This says, find the determinant of the following matrices. So let's consider this first matrix right here. We can see that this is a square matrix, so there are 2 rows and 2 columns. And specifically, this is a lower triangular matrix, because if we consider the diagonal elements, every element above the main diagonal, so in this case there's only one element, is a 0. So this is a lower triangular matrix. So to find determinant, all we have to do is take the product of the values along the diagonal. So 2 times 1 would just be 2. So we'll say that the determinant is 2 times 1, which is 2. Alright, now let's check out this next matrix right here. So again, if we look at the main diagonal, we can see that all of the elements below the main diagonal are all zeros. So this particular matrix is an upper triangular matrix. So to find the determinant of it, since it is a triangular matrix, all we have to do is take the product of the values along the diagonal. So 2 times 3 times 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 6 is 36. So we'd say the determinant of this matrix is 36. Now let's consider this next matrix here. If we look at the main diagonal, we can see that all of the values above the main diagonal are 0. So this is a lower triangular matrix. So to find the determinant, we're just going to take the product of all of the diagonal elements. So 5 times 7 times 4. So 5 times 7 is 35, and 35 times 4 is 140. So the determinant of this matrix is 140. Now let's consider our very last matrix here. So this is a 4 by 4 matrix, so it is a square matrix. And if we look at the main diagonal, we can see that all of the elements below the main diagonal are 0. So this is an upper triangular matrix. So because it is a type of triangular matrix, to find the determinant, we're just going to take the product of all of the values along the main diagonal. So 1 times 5 is 5, times 2 is 10, times 7 is 70. So the determinant of this particular matrix is 70. So that is how you can find the determinant of a triangular matrix.